Is your Chevy Impala key fob not working? Most issues stem from dead batteries, programming glitches, or range limitations. The primary function depends on a healthy battery and synchronized connection. Start with the simplest solution, a battery swap. Impala fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob carefully using a small screwdriver. Replace the battery, ensuring correct orientation, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, your fob may need reprogramming. Environmental factors such as EMF interference from Wi-Fi routers or power lines can also affect range. Try moving away from these sources to see if the fob's range improves. If a battery swap doesn't solve the problem, reprogramming the key fob is the next step. For many Impala models, you can attempt a DIY reprogramming by cycling the ignition off to accessory mode, then back off several times while pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Some models, especially those with rolling security codes, might require professional reprogramming using an OBD2 scanner or a visit to a Chevy dealer. If range is consistently poor, check for obstructions or clean the fob's antenna contacts. In some cases, the vehicle's receiver module may be faulty, requiring replacement by a mechanic. Remember that digital key technology is emerging, reducing reliance on physical fobs, but for older Impalas, these fixes will keep your key fob functioning. Also be aware of cybersecurity risks like fob cloning, and ensure your vehicle's software is up to date with the latest security patches.